Hello everyone! For today's video, we're going to learn some tips and tricks for new cooks on how to make hummus.
For this recipe, you will need 2 cans of chickpeas, 1 lime, 3 cloves of garlic, 6 to 7 ice cubes, half a cup of olive oil, and 1/4 cup of tahini. To start by pouring the chickpeas in a strainer. The strainer should have another closed bowl under it to proceed. Put the strainer with chickpeas under the sink and fill it up with water until all chickpeas are just under. Take a handful of chickpeas in your hand and rub the chickpeas to peel off the skin. The main reason that you do this step is so that you can remove the chickpea skin in an effective way. The reason that you would want to remove the skin is for smoothness. The less skin, the more smooth the hummus would be. I prefer my hummus to be of medium smoothness. Once the skin floats, tilt the strainer inside the bowl of water. That way, the floating skin will move to one side. Now slowly push the skins out of the strainer into the bowl underneath. Once strained, pour the chickpeas into the blender. To do so without spilling, take some and put in the blender. Then, using your hand as a guard around the bowl and blender, pour the rest in. Then add the garlic cloves,
Half of a lime,
tahini, half of the oil from the measuring cup, and a teaspoon of salt. So now you'll set up the blender and blend for 7 to 8 minutes. Start adding 1 ice cube every minute. In the middle of it, feel free to stop the blender and taste it.
Depending on your taste, you may need to add lime or salt.
Ice will prevent demulsification, which is a fancy way to say that it will prevent the oil from separating from the rest of the ingredients. Once you are done, take a couple of tablespoons of the hummus and put it on a plate. First, flatten the hummus on the plate. Then, putting the back of a spoon at the center, move it in a swirling motion towards the outside. Put the other half of the oil in the measuring cup on the swirl. Do the same for second plate. You can put any toppings you want, but I prefer the spicy red pepper. You can eat the hummus with carrots, cucumber, or even bread. And this is the final product. This humble hummus recipe will seem quite gourmet once you are done. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.